Chad Murray, chadmurray.biz. I help home service businesses scale to 2 to 3 million. Now, something that's dear to my heart is how do you pick up somebody and how do you know the value, give them value? How do you let them know that you appreciate them, your employees, even your spouses, your friends? It doesn't matter. Where is the system of culture and appreciation? So this is how you do it. So what you do is you go online and you'll find something to show your employees, you know, how you appreciate them, because you do need to give them appreciation and pat on the backs and attaboys and maybe an award, take them out stuff. But on the weekly thing, on the yearly thing, you need to be letting them see it through other avenues and venues, not just coming from your voice, because you're daddy. They want to hear it and see it from inspirational stuff. And the system of finding videos online and doing it this way is, I found, the best. It really gets the atmosphere pumped up at your business. So we play this video and a couple other videos every year at our yearly. We have 2 annual big blowout parties and training days at our service business, and these videos just kill it. I mean, they really set the mode. We start off after the initial meeting with the highs and hellos and anybody new here, and then we start off with this video every year. And I mean, this video is good for letting everybody understand that I value you and that you matter. So here, watch this.
I was asked to share with you all something about leadership. And as I began to think about the things that I could say about leadership, my mind went to the typical things you would think of: courage, communication, commitment, patience, empathy. The things that are most visible to us all in the practice of leadership. But as I thought more about the position we find ourselves in and what we might need to reflect upon, I started hearing 2 words: you matter. You matter. You see, courage is necessary, yes. So is communication. And you're likely not getting far without commitment and patience. But in order to even embody those things or be willing to, you must first be convinced, find confidence in, and likely be reassured of the fact that you matter. I don't even know if anyone has told you this recently, but you matter. Each and every one of us matters. We matter to each other. We matter to our families, our communities. If you don't believe me, think about this. In the middle of a season of uncertainty, each and every one of us has been asked to spend our days not focusing on ourselves, but to focus outwardly and primarily do one thing: serve people. We serve colleagues, we serve friends and family, the communities we are part of, and so likely that means Monday through Sunday, no compromise, no excuses, and likely very little rest. So in the remaining minutes I have, I'm going to remind you again, you matter. We matter. Even if it's just for one person, each of us has been asked to play a role. Doesn't matter how big or small it is, we can help someone navigate their livelihood, their dreams, goals, ambitions, and potentially the very act of keeping food on their table and keeping food on our tables. If that's not a reminder of your significance, I probably should start over. At this very moment, you may not feel successful. Still, you matter. You may feel small. Still, you matter. Unimportant and outright ill-equipped. Doesn't matter, you matter. You might feel beat up, frustrated, confused, paid less than you think you should, but that doesn't change the fact that you are where you are, and it's in a position of significance, and everything you think, say, or do today does matter, because you matter. So, I have some homework for you. Take a look in the mirror. Take a selfie, take a screenshot, whatever it needs to be. Spend a few seconds and look at yourself and say to yourself, I'm looking at someone who matters. Do it because you do. From there, I want you to tell someone else, whether it's a DM, a phone call, a text message, or an email. Tell someone else on your team or your inner circle how much they matter. Every day matters. All the time it matters. And it matters because you matter. It matters because we matter.
Okay, as you can see, this is a JB Kellogg video. He puts out these. I don't know. I don't even know who that guy really is, but this is a guy named. If you look here, the guy that does the video is Darius Bell, written and narrated by, and it's awesome, right? It talks to you. It talks to your soul. It makes you feel good. Makes your employees feel good. I mean, that's what we're about here, right? I mean, we're building leadership. This is the leadership system of inspiring all your people that work for you. It inspires yourself. It gets you motivated. This is the actual system of building a culture. So I'm Chad Murray, chadmurray.biz. Follow me here on Instagram, TikTok, whatever I'm showing this video on, YouTube. Please, I want to help you. So give me a call, follow, look at my stuff, and maybe contact me, and let's see if we can work together.